Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this look right here. I have used a bunch of new products. All of them are drugstore products. I have some new skincare, some new eyeshadow palettes, lip options and all of that. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start. It's been a while since we did a makeup tutorial, like a sit down, chit chat, get ready with me. So we are gonna try a lot of new products, as I said in the intro. Like, all of them are not new, some of them are new, and they are really exciting. Like, I am really excited to try these products. So let's start with our skincare. I have already moisturized my face a little bit, but can't do without serums. MamaEarth Serums, I have already made a video about these. If you have not watched that video, you should definitely check that out. It's about a very quick 5-minute get ready with me for office and college. So I'm just mixing both of these serums on my palm, and then I'm gonna spread it all over my face. This winter season, if I'm obsessed with two things skincare wise, then they have to be serums and eye creams. I have been trying so many serums from different brands and eye creams from different brands. Okay, so the serum has literally given me so much of a glow, like, and my face does not feel tacky whatsoever. Or anyway, we have raved about that product enough. Let's move on to the next product, and that is a new eyeshadow palette which is just for 499 rupees. This is how it looks like. It's a total dupe for Huda Beauty small eyeshadow palettes, and this is by Nicka K, and I am in the shade like Autumn Spice. They have a lot of variants, and this is how the palette looks like. And I'm really excited to try these. I am pretty sure that these are gonna have a lot of fallout, because as soon as I dipped my brush into these, they started to give a lot of kickback. So I'm just worried about that. That's why we're gonna finish our eyes first, and then we're gonna do our base makeup. Also, if you guys have any new suggestions for budget-friendly concealers or foundations, please let me know in the comments down below. I have been trying to, you know, find new drugstore products, but I don't know, मुझे Fit Me के अलावा या फिर Wet n Wild के अलावा कुछ अच्छा लग ही नहीं रहा है. So if you have used any new foundation which is sort of budget friendly and you want me to try it out, just let me know. Okay, so I'm so excited to use this palette. Let's start with this yellow color because I really like this mustard yellow color. Okay, it has a lot of kickback, you guys, but we'll see. Okay, so this is how the crease looks like so far. I have tried to build a lot. I am impressed, okay, I am impressed, but I'm not wooed by it, you know what I mean? So let's see, let's check other shades as well. So I'm gonna use this orange shade tightly in my crease. This is by Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade 02. It comes for just 199 rupees. It's a very pretty champagne shade which has a golden reflex. As you guys can see, I am not going on the outer corner. I'm just keeping it in the first half. I used to use this one back in the day. This is by Maybelline. It's called the Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. So there is a pencil on one side, and then there is a powder on the other side. This does not suit me anymore because it's grey, and I have changed my color, like hair color. Always remember that your eyebrow color also changes because of your hair color. So if you are, you know, dyeing your hair to the warmer side, your eyebrow color will also change. Like, the warmer shades would suit you better. So this one looks a little off on me because it looks too grey on me, but we don't have any option, so. Okay, so this is how our eyes are looking so far. This is incomplete, so let's just complete that. Okay, so this is how my eyes are looking so far. I'm really liking it. I will intensify the yellow later, like after the whole base makeup is done, but otherwise they are really twinkly and sparkly. Let's move on to the base makeup. Now I have a new eye cream for you guys. So this is by MamaEarth again. This is called the Bye Bye Dark Circles eye cream with cucumber and peptides. Now this is specially meant for dark circles, and it is a very lightweight formula. I really like the packaging. It's very compact and to the point. यहाँ पे जो nozzle है वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है because you know you can just dot it. You don't have to dip your finger in anything. So that's a really great thing. I have been using this from past 1 month, and I must say I have seen some difference. I religiously put this at night. But I have started doing this that I have to put eye cream under my eyes for makeup tutorials as well. Really like the smell of this cream because it smells like baby products. Okay, so let's move on to the concealing part. I'm going to use my favorite Wet n Wild concealer in the shade light medium beige. Let's just move on to contouring our nose and our face a little bit. So I used to use this back in the day when I started my channel. This was by Sugar, and I stopped using it for some reason. I don't know why. It's a really great product. It's just for I think 350 rupees, which is a great deal. It's a very compact क्या बोलते हैं, situation. Okay, let's move on to the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the darker brown shade, this one, and just shade my lower lash line, and then put my favorite mascara, which is by Wet n Wild again. Okay, let's move on to the lips. I am so excited for this part. So I have these 3 lip crayons by Maybelline, and they are the Superstay ink crayons. Now you guys know that they already have the Superstay matte ink, which is the liquid lipstick, but this is crayon version of that formula, and this was just available in US till I think last month. So I told my friends who were gonna come from New York, I told them to get these, and जैसे ही वो लोग आए यहाँ पे Nicka पे launch हो गया. So yeah, anyway, so the best part is you guys can also get your hands on this. I have not tried them before. I have 3 shades. I think I will go for this shade. I think this one would suit better with the eye look. So let's try this one. I really like that shade. Let me know कि तुम लोग को इस पे review चाहिए ऐसा कुछ. So I'll make, because I am also like testing them out. I have not tried them thoroughly. So yeah, but so far so good. I really like the shade. It's going really well on my skin tone and with my eyes. I think I'll just mix it up with the darker shade as well. Okay, so last step is eyelashes. I'm really confused if I should go with lashes or not, but let's just do lashes because the eyes are pretty dramatic. So I'll just put my lashes and come back. I'm gonna use these lashes. This is by Pack Pro 02. They're really wispy, really nice, but you have to just trim the volume a little bit because my eyes are a little small. Okay, so this is the finished look. I put on some falsies. I also put some highlight in my inner corner, which I used on my skin. I really liked the palette. I mean, it's buildable, so yeah, it's good for beginners, but it has a lot of fallout, so be careful. And the lip options, oh my god, I really like it. They are not transferring. Okay, they are not transferring whatsoever, but I still have to test them out with the oily food and stuff. So yeah, I'll keep you updated in my next videos. Also, let me know what other products you want me to test out in such videos, because I really want to, you know, try new products myself. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye. Wherever I sit, कमों को आना ही है. मैं हॉल में बैठूं या फिर बेडरूम में बैठूं. So annoying. Like you have.
तुला पाहिजे?
नाही, नवीनच आहे घ्या.
मला घेऊ?